Yes, Sanjay Bhale, roll number 23. Year TYE, name of subject is Energy Conservation and Audit, and name of topic is Energy Conservation Act 2001. Here is the introduction. Energy Conservation Act 2001. It is enacted on 1st October 2001 and it is become effective on 1st March 2002. Objective of providing necessary legal framework for promoting energy conservation measures in the country, and Bureau of Energy Efficiency, that is BEE, primarily from 1 March 2002. It comes under the Energy Conservation Act 2001. Purpose of this act are as follows: provide a policy framework and direction to national energy consumption activities, coordinates policies and programs on efficient use of energy with stakeholders, establish systems and processes to verify measures and monitor EE improvements, leverage multilateral, bilateral and private sector support to implement the EC Act, means Energy Conservation Act, demonstrate delivery systems through public-private partnerships, and last, to promote energy efficiency in the country. Important features of Energy Conservation Act: Energy Conservation Building Code, that is ECBC, EE in government buildings and establishments, Demand Side Management, that is DSM in power sector and agriculture sector, Standards and Labeling, means that SNL program, Energy Managers and Auditors, and Bachat Lamp Yojana, means BYL. Standards and labeling involve minimum energy consumption and performing standard for notice equipment and appliances, prohibit manufacture, scale and import such equipment which does not conform to standards. Energy Conservation Fund, promotion of energy service companies, research and development demonstration, creation of testing facilities, awareness creation. Penalties: non-compliance by a person, amount not extending by rupees 10 lakh for each offence. On continuous non-compliance, an additional penalty up to 1000 per day, 10,000 per day, and the initial phase of 5 years would be promotional and creating infrastructure for implementation of act. Number of penalties would be effective during this phase. These are the related images. These are the important YouTube links where we can learn much more. Thank you.